In the number 23, the problem is find the top 5 customers who spent the most in the last 6 months along with their total expenditure, menu cost plus delivery cost. So the first thing we need to do is select a customer ID, concatenate the customer first name and the customer last name as customer name. Then we need to use sum for the total price and an order delivery cost as total expenditure. From customer C, we need to interjoin orders on customer ID to order ID, interjoin transaction ID to order ID. We need to use where for the transaction date and greater than or equal to date add. And now interval, we need to use interval minus 6 month, and we need to group by customer ID to customer first name and customer last name. Order by total expenditure and naka-descending siya. And we need to use limit 5 because it's only the question is only need 5 top 5 customers. We need to delete this first, and when we click go, and here's the top 5 customers